How did Blink-182 manage to become the world-famous band that it is today? From the sun-soaked skate parks of Southern California to the top of the charts, Blink-182's journey is a tale of relentless energy and pop-punk anthems. Formed in 1992, the trio of Mark Hoppus, Tom DeLonge, and Scott Raynor began with a simple dream and a love for punk rock, particularly the Descendants. Their music, a reflection of their lifestyle, was filled with the spirit of skateboarding and late-night adventures. The band's early days were marked by a DIY ethos, playing anywhere from Elks Lodges to local high schools, claiming to be a motivational band with a strong anti-drug message. Their first legitimate release, Buddha, laid the groundwork for what was to come. With the addition of powerhouse drummer Travis Barker, Blink-182's lineup solidified, and their sound began to evolve. Blink-182's breakthrough came with the explosive success of Enema of the State in 1999. Hit singles like All the Small Things and What's My Age Again? These became anthems of a generation, their music videos a constant presence on MTV. The band's straightforward approach and catchy melodies were instrumental in bringing pop-punk into the mainstream, resonating with millions worldwide. Despite lineup changes, including the departure and return of DeLonge, and the temporary inclusion of Matt Skiba, Mark Hoppus remained the band's steadfast core. Their discography, from the raw energy of Cheshire Cat to the experimental layers of their untitled 2003 album, showcases a band unafraid to evolve. With the release of One More Time in 2023, Blink-182 continues to write their legacy, proving that their brand of pop-punk is timeless. Blink-182's impact on music is undeniable. With over 50 million albums sold globally and a fan base that spans generations, they've cemented their status as pop-punk icons. Their evolution from a garage band to international superstars is a testament to their enduring appeal and the power of a few chords, a catchy hook, and the truth that growing up is optional.